Welcome everyone. My name is Courtney and I'm so excited to be here and to tell you a little more about the college and AC Day 1. But first, a little info about me. I'm a member of Algonquin College's events team and I'm a recent Algonquin College graduate. Not that long ago, I was getting ready to start in the business marketing program here at Algonquin. I remember looking forward to AC Day 1, but also feeling so nervous and a little unsure and overwhelmed with my to-do list. That being said, my AC Day 1 experience was awesome. It was fun, informative, and I met great people. Today's virtual events and sessions are designed to ensure that your experience is a great one too. Try your best not to feel too overwhelmed. Our employees are available for you throughout the day to help with these sessions, and trust me, we all want to help you succeed. We also have some amazing programming so that no matter where in the world you are right now, you can experience the college and engage with your Algonquin community. So before we get started, we're going to share a couple of housekeeping items. This event includes live closed captions in English. Captions are available directly in the Zoom toolbar by clicking the CC icon. This session is also being recorded and will be added to the Algonquin College orientation website. If you have any questions about AC Day 1 or any support, please use the Q&A function in the Zoom toolbar and we will help you out. Along the bottom of the screen, you will find a chat button. So let's quickly test out that chat function together. In the chat, I want you to type out what program you're taking, and on the count of 3, press enter. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, so many. There's so many of you here. It's going wild. Wow, electric engineering, computer programming, business. Oh my gosh, so many computer systems. Wow. So it's so great. I see so many different programs here. That is fantastic. Remember that the purpose of today is to connect with your community. So please use that chat throughout the entire day to meet other students. I am now pleased to let you know that we have 2 special guests joining us this morning. Algonquin College's President and CEO, Claude Brulé, and your Students Association President, Emily Ferguson. These 2 individuals are leaders here in our college community. They help drive the passion for student success and our core values. Most importantly, they support and celebrate you, our learners. President Brulé, over to you.
Thank you very much, Courtney. And what a way to start the morning with DJ G. It was wonderful, really upbeat. Well, hello everyone and welcome to AC Day 1. My name is Claude Brulé, as Courtney said, and I'm your president and CEO. Now, not only does this date mark the beginning of a new school year, but like last year at this time, it also marks the beginning of a spring term like no other in Algonquin's history. As you know, our #1 priority is and remains the health and well-being of our learners during these challenging times. Therefore, our plan for the spring term minimizes face-to-face instruction and promotes remote learning whenever possible. For the near future, access to our campuses will be limited to only those who absolutely need to be on campus.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emily Ferguson, your Algonquin Students Association President. Welcome to new and returning students. The Students Association, or SA, is a non-for-profit organization with one mission: to create an environment that inspires a passion for student success. The SA team is present on our campuses in Ottawa, Pembroke, and Perth.
Thank you for your effort, Emily. The college has also found new creative ways to connect with our students. Amidst COVID-19, our innovative teams are able to deliver the majority of our student support services, campus services, and events virtually. Virtual, of course, does not mean solitary. You are not alone. Whether you're seeking support, a social opportunity, or a vital resource, Algonquin College will be there with you every step of the way.
As will the Students Association. Our job is to connect with our peers, learn your wants and needs, and do what we can to turn them into reality. We have a great relationship with the executives and leader of Algonquin College. I chat with them regularly about how students are feeling and how the SA and the college can support each other. While we are working and learning remotely, the SA will keep everyone updated on our website and social media channels about the availability of our services. You can find this information at algonquinsa.com. Our student life team is always working on keeping our students engaged one way or another. We've had exciting events this year, including a conversation with Saturday Night Live's Pete Davidson, and we'll continue to have engaging online events throughout the summer. I would encourage you to check out our website to see what is scheduled and see what you may be interested in. Clubs continue to be active online, and I highly recommend that you join one or even start one yourself.
Again, the key is getting involved and making the most of your life as a student. I encourage you to engage in our dynamic college community online. Connect virtually with one another and with our support teams. Explore our campus services and virtual events. There's truly something for everyone. Another important factor this spring will be keeping each other safe. You can go to algonquincollege.com/coronavirus for COVID-19 updates, campus safety policies, frequently asked questions, health services and resources, and more. Our social media channels will also have the latest news and information.
And if you've been near campus recently, I'm sure you noticed the SA's newest project, the Jack Doyle Athletics and Recreation Center, to be opening in the fall of 2021. Be sure to follow us on social media to keep up with the construction and for a peek inside.
As you can see, lots to look forward to. Yes, you will no doubt experience some new challenges, but there will also be lots of opportunities awaiting you. So study well, have fun, and make new friends. Let this day mark the beginning of your path to success, a path filled with many helping and supportive hands. Emily and I wish you all the best. Good luck.
Thank you, Emily and President Brulé. We are so glad that you were able to join us this morning. Now, let's get you ready for today. To help you navigate your day one, we put together the top 5 things you need to know about AC Day 1 so that you can make the most of your day. Tip number 1, your program orientation will set you up for success. I know that this one sounds obvious, but trust me. You should have all been contacted by your program coordinator with specific details on where and when your virtual program orientation will be hosted. You might be thinking, will my program orientation really cover that much information? Absolutely, it will. Program orientation really covers so much, and it'll set you up for success, especially if your program is currently remote. During program orientation, you will learn more about your classes and virtually meet faculty and classmates. It's important to make these connections early. Remember, even if you're studying remotely, you are not going through this alone. Meeting classmates and faculty will really help ensure you achieve academic success in the long term. If you have any questions about your program orientation, please check the program orientation schedule or contact your program coordinator. We will put the links to this information in the chat. Tip number 2, make time to get social. AC Day 1 is packed with opportunities to participate in virtual activities and meet others. After you attend your program orientation, the rest of the day is up to you. Introverts, fear not. Many of these sessions will allow you to engage with others at your own comfort level. If your schedule permits, here are a few events that you should definitely check out. Take a midday break and join us at the virtual chill zone anytime between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. There will be guided meditation, bullet journaling, and even flow yoga. Connect with other AC students from across the world in the social room. Pop in anytime, introduce yourself, and chat with your peers. Everyone is welcome. Enjoy the live music brought to you by local artists. Meet new people in a virtual escape room challenge. Come on your own or come and you will be placed in a team of 4, where you will have 2 hours to escape. All of these sessions are hosted virtually on Zoom. Check out your AC Day 1 magazine for a complete list and Zoom access links. The link to the AC Day 1 magazine would have been emailed to you. Tip number 3, ask all of the questions. Seriously, don't be shy. We want you to ask all the questions so that we can give you the tools to support your AC journey on a path to success. Our teams are here to help. Our employees really do want to see you do well in your academic pursuits and beyond. There's no question too small, big, or even silly. Remember, we've all been a new student or even a new employee at one point. We remember how many questions come up when starting something new. Here are a few of the virtual support and information sessions that you can attend. Learn more about Brightspace and Zoom by tuning into the Getting Started with Brightspace and Zoom workshop. Choose whichever time slot fits best for your schedule, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., or 11 a.m. From 1 to 2 p.m., join your Students Association to learn more about the health and dental plan. Take a virtual tour of the Algonquin Commons Theater, find out about how to get involved and more. If you're looking for more support with your network account, drop into an ITS support session anytime until 4 p.m. today. Ask any questions you have about course materials and book lists from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the drop-in book list and course material support session. If you need some support from the registrar's office, you can check out their helpful videos designed to guide you through common questions. Still have questions? The registrar's office and financial aid are available for virtual support Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Not sure where to start? That's okay. Visit the virtual help desk and our representatives will point you in the right direction so that you can get the information you need. All of these sessions are hosted virtually on Zoom. Check out your AC Day 1 magazine for a complete list and Zoom access links. The link to the AC Day 1 magazine would have been emailed to you. Tip number 4, don't forget about your classes. This is more of a friendly reminder. Classes for most level 1 students are suspended until 1 p.m. today so that you can attend your AC Day 1. That means that as of 1 p.m., you should follow your regular timetable. Keep that in mind today when you schedule your activities accordingly. Last but not least, have fun today. The final tip, tip number 5. Today is about you. So have fun, get the information you need, meet people, and experience the college. If I could leave you with one piece of advice, it would be to expand your goals to reach beyond academics. As someone who came to Algonquin College as a mature student and a single mother myself, I had no idea where I would fit in. It was only when I started to volunteer on campus and get engaged when I discovered that the goal was not to fit in, but to stand out. Volunteering not only bettered my transferable skills, but it also gifted me a massive network of supportive people. Nourishing relationships in the campus community is like growing a tree from a seed. First, you plant that seed by making the connections. This can be done in many ways, such as volunteering or even getting involved in AC Day 1. Next, through pouring your energy into your network, you act like the sun and water, which brings growth. And in no time, you will have noticed that the simple connections you made in these very first days have expanded into branches of opportunities for you to harvest for years to come. So be confident in yourself and trust in your campus community to support you through your growth. Make mistakes, have fun, and be the best you can be. So that wraps up our first session of the day. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, and I hope you are leaving with a better understanding of Algonquin College, our student life, community, academics, and our incredible services. Remember, today is the start of your adventure. You are the main character, so make the most of the day. Wherever you are in the world and wherever you're coming from, you are now part of the Algonquin College community, and we are so happy you're here. Have a great AC Day 1, everyone.